Imagine a white light entering a prism, and we know the other side of the prism has a rainbow. However, we can only see one of the colors very dimly, and we want to see color, so we focus on that particular ray, we'll call it, even though it's a continuum. Let's say there's one, and let's say that in my case I focused on the color magic, we call it. And in Richard's case, he was more attracted to focus on the color of truth, you know. And as each of us, and that's different for each of us chose our own focus. We want color, and we focus on that, and that color becomes brighter. And as it becomes brighter, it shines the light on the other colors, and you start to see the other colors dimly. And then you notice the other colors are kind of interesting colors. So you change your focus, not then to one other, but to one, and then another, and then another, and then, because they're all interesting colors. And so you've got this brightest of colors, which you started with, and then the others are just becoming brighter and brighter. And then eventually you can see all the colors brightly. If we look at what we're doing in that way, I think that's a really, really good model for how to awaken these paths. And when we can just see white light or any one of the many colors with equal intensity and no preference, that's when we're in Elven consciousness.